Hello, I'm Steve Locke with Locke Buildings. Today we're going to learn about how to frame wall girts on a pole barn. There are two types of wall girts. One is standard girts and one is commercial girts. Standard girts are nailed to the outside of the post. Commercial girts are nailed between the posts on flat as if you could put a cup of coffee on it. Today we're going to focus on commercial girt framing. Normally the girts are 24 inches on center, going from the bottom up. First thing you want to do is establish the concrete line in your shop, or a base line if it does not have concrete floor. At this point, you'll want to measure up from that base line or concrete up to 24 inches off that. That will establish your first girt. Once you've established your first girt, you'll want to get your custom measurement from that girt to the pressure treated board. This will be a custom size. The remaining blocks will be at 22 3/8. You'll want to figure all your blocks that you'll need and cut those all up at the same time. You'll want to install your first block. After that, you'll install the first girt on top of the block. You'll want to make sure that you fur out your girt and blocks 1.5 inches, and we recommend using a chunk of a 2x4, 2x6 to help make that simpler. Don't worry if the boards are bowing, because once we come and install the metal, we'll be able to straighten them out at that time. Now that you've installed your first blocks and your first girt, complete the process going up the wall using your 22 3/8 blocks. Once you're done framing your wall and you get to the top, it may not be exactly 24 inches left over, it could be less, and that's okay. Well, that's how we do commercial style girts. For standard style girts, it's a much simpler system. We just nail the girt to the outside of the post, and we space them at 24 inches on center, and usually the blocks between the girts are 18 to 18.5 inches. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For more information, visit our website.